dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, keto meal prep, keto, all the keto. I have 4 kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love thumbs up, clicky clickies. If you just seen the clip before, I was just showing you what I had because I was actually on the phone with my boyfriend, so I couldn't like do my intro and everything obviously, but I had 1 slice of the boar's head cheese. I had kept that at work, and I am totally obsessed, and I need to go back to Aldi. This Ellie Quark, I'm totally obsessed with it. It is delicious. It's not yogurt. It's like cream liquid cream. It's like liquid cream cheese in a cup. It's delicious, you guys. They have different flavors, but this, I guess this is their new flavor, cafe latte. I found it at Aldi, and I had tagged them on Instagram, and they said, oh, this is the first sighting of our new flavor. So that was kind of neat, and I really like it. I'm excited to see what the other flavors are, because this has 9 total carbs, 1 fiber, 4 sugars, 4 erythritol, 12 protein. It's 4 net carbs. It is 100 calories. The ingredients are cultured grade A whole milk, plant-based sweetener blend, erythritol stevia extract, coffee extract, natural flavors, locust bean gum, pectin, lactic acid, vegetable rennet, and then there's live active cultures. So that eats the sugars, basically, the active cultures do, and it's delicious. I really like it. So I only bought 2 of them when I was at Aldi because in case I didn't like it, but I like it, so I'm definitely gonna go back. But I think Aldi only had 1 flavor. And as far as store locators, I went on there, and there's no stores that carry it except for this Aldi, which it's in that area where once it's gone, it's gone. So I'd have to go to Toledo to get it, which is like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna buy as many as I can and enjoy them while I can. And what else did I have? 1 serving of pepperoni. I had 3 slices of salami with probably total about maybe a tablespoon and a half of cream cheese with some fresh Jax breakfast blend seasoning on it. That is so good. It's like the everything but the bagel seasoning. And about an ounce of cheddar cheese. And then that keto granola, I'll talk more about that after work. I put that into my quark. That stuff is good. That is like a granola, like a true granola. It's very nutty, but it's got the clusters with the pecans. Oh my God, so good. All right, I gotta get back to work, so I will talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Okay, so this is that granola that I was telling you about. I was sent this, it's by Low Carb, it's keto nut granola. I love this. I really love this. This is 2 net carbs, 18 grams of fat, diabetic friendly, keto friendly, gluten free. It's sweetened with monk fruit extract and erythritol. There's cinnamon, pecans, coconut chips, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sliced almonds, coconut. Did I say? Yeah, I said coconut. This is really good. Really, really good. Now, Lollis, I think that's why she changed her name. She's more like a cookie cluster now, and that's why they changed her name. But this is more of a granola type. So although I still do like to put Lollis in my yogurt, like I put this into that Ellie Quark or however you say it. This was amazing. This was amazing. I really like this. And a serving is a 1/3 cup, and it's 190 calories. The pecans are so good in there. I could just pick out all the pecans because they're so good. Look at this stuff. I'll show you some. You see? It's good. It's very good. So, thank you, Low Carb, for sending this to me. This is amazing and I love it. I'm literally in love. It's very, very good. I bet you could put a little bit of almond milk or something in this. I'm gonna try that tonight for a snack, I think. Yeah. I will throw up on the screen their Instagram handle. It doesn't show it on the bag. It just says follow us on Facebook and Instagram, but their website is just lowcarb.com. Definitely give this a try. I don't have a discount code or anything like that, but just let you guys know, delicious. Alright guys, it's time to pick the winner for the Highkey Snacks giveaway. So, let me pull up that app that I like to use. Okay. I have it set to number of winners 1 and start giveaway. Brenda Rickman, congratulations. Is it gonna, will it show me your comment? No. Anyways, Brenda Rickman, you are the winner. You have 24 hours to respond to me. I will comment on your, I will find your comment and I will comment and I will notify you that way. I will also post it on my community tab and it will be in my vlog today. You have 24 hours to let me know so I can tell Highkey where to send your snacks. If not, I'll have to draw another winner, guys. I have to make the giveaway for Cut the Carb now, so that will be in another video. See you guys soon. So somebody sent me an email about doing a chaffle without cheese and they gave me a recipe. The recipe was as follows: 1/4 of a teaspoon, not a fourth, I'm sorry, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of almond flour, and 1 egg. So this is what it looks like after I've whisked it all up. And I'll show you what it looks like once I get it on there. So this is the one that I literally just took it off. It's hot compared to like a regular chaffle with cheese. This has mozzarella cheese in it. And this is that one. It smells like bread. It looks good. Looks like a chaffle to me, bruh. We'll let it sit here and crisp up a little bit. I'll make myself a little sandwich. We'll test it out. Alright, you guys, I took a little nibble of both of them. I don't know why. And it tastes like Wonder Bread. Oh my god, it literally tastes like Wonder Bread. That is insane. I'm making a sandwich. Alright, that was a neighbor. Somebody, the UPS person put my package on somebody else's door, or the letter for it. So I missed a package and I don't know who it's from. I don't recognize the name, and the post office worker wrote very sloppy. So anyways, this bread tastes like Wonder Bread. It really does. So that's my sandwich, and then I have a nice big salad here. All it is tomato, cucumber, ranch, flaxseed, hemp seed, some of the Parmesan crisps from Aldi, spinach, iceberg lettuce, some salt, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I threw some radish on there and some cheese. That's dinner tonight, guys, and I am drinking a coconut pineapple sparkling water. Have the best night ever. I will post this recipe in the description. So before I close out today's vlog, I'm gonna try this Built Bar. I didn't eat all of my salad and I didn't eat all of the chaffle sandwich. I did eat all of the chaffle itself. I really liked it, made with almond flour. It was actually very tasty and it was very bread-like. I've just been doing my journaling, and I was supposed to make the keto sheet pizza for dinner tonight, but I forgot to thaw the Italian the Italian sausage. So we did chaffle dogs. It turns out the kids didn't like the chaffles today, which normally they do. So I got a bunch of chaffles made. I'm gonna have to just freeze them and then I'll just use them for sandwiches. Maybe I'll eat them for lunch tomorrow. So they just had hot dogs. And yeah, I don't know. I just wasn't in the mood to finish my food, but I am in the mood to have one of these right now. So I'm going to try this one. Yesterday I had, what flavor did I have yesterday? I'm sorry, Link is drinking. It wasn't the orange chocolate. I can't remember. I had one yesterday and I don't remember the flavor. Oh, that's very raspberry. That's good. It's definitely, you can take, look at my hair, looks so silly. You can definitely taste that raspberry. First bite, instantly raspberry. That's weird. I will say this. I definitely get the raspberry flavor in my mouth, but it's almost as like I just like, I don't know, when you're chewing it, it's not like in, it feels like it's only on the outer part. I don't know. I feel like it could be more raspberry. It's not terrible, but I just feel almost as I'm not really tasting the raspberry, but more like breathing it in. I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's still good. I just think, and I was expecting it to be red on the inside, just saying. All right, guys, I'm gonna close out today's vlog. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.